Before going to start and talk different type of car model or build a model of any car like this, here it is shown a full car model. There is a very basic thing you need to understand to go further or developing, that is the degree of the freedom of that model. Now the degree of the freedom of that model is basically in respect of the mass and spring. So the basic definition is of a degree of the freedom of a model is the number of different parameters required to define the position of a system or a mass or anything. So like in this case, here you can see there is a mass and there is a x that is going to displace the x, that is the displacement of this mass. So in this case, x is the only variable, so its degree of the freedom is 2. Now this is a very simple case and basic case. So as you can see, this is the mass and only thing it is going to be displaced in this direction. So in this case it is only one. Now moving further, this is a wait a second. No, this is a quarter car model. Okay, now so it's a quarter car model. Now in a quarter car, the basic principle is this is the road, and it shows the road annulation. It is going to be XR, and as this will move up, it will push the mass, and that is the unsprung mass, and this will also get pushed, and then further transfer of the displacement of ms, that is the unsprung, that is the sprung mass, that is xs. So in this case there are two variables that is going to define the position. So this so 1 degree of the freedom is called the bounce of wheel. This is the wheel, and its bounce is the first degree of freedom, and second is the bounce of the body, that is the sprung mass. Now, so in this case, the total degree of the freedom will be 2. So moving further to half car model. So things will get more trickier as you go ahead. So now in this case, so we have one, that is the rear mass. It's like a bike, or you can also say. So a half car model is basically, if this is a car, this is the front. So it is either this or this portion. So So firstly we will consider this side, like the we have chopped it from the bit from between. So this is the rear, this is the front, and this is the sprung mass. So what will happen as the road excite this model? What will happen is, firstly it this part will go up, this part, then this part will go. This will push it the MF, that is the front unsprung mass of the body, and this is the rear unsprung mass of the body, and both of this will uh, move the sprung mass of the body. So here the first degree of the freedom will be front car bounce, second degree of the freedom will be rear car bounce, third degree of the freedom is the total body bounce, the whole body will bounce, and the fourth, it is that is going to be the pitch. Now how pitch is coming in the consideration, because suppose this will go, suppose when it is pushed, this will push it up, and this part will be at that moment of time does not move. So there will be a tilt angle, that will, suppose a tilt angle is there of the theta, then that motion is called pitching. So there will be a 4 degree. Now consider, now let us consider when we have car like this and we have chalk like this. So what will happen is, this is the left side. So this is the left side. Suppose this is the right side. So as suppose this is a bump. Okay. So in India you can also like see that only one side of the car goes into the bump. What will happen is this part will first go up, then this part will go up. So again there will be a tilting motion. Now in this case it will not be pitching, it will be a rolling. Similarly first, second, third, and the tilting is called fourth. So the degree of the freedom of half car is 4. Now we move further ahead of full car model. This is full car model. Similarly, four wheels are there. Now, uh, suppose this is going in this direction. This is the seat and this is the sprung mass. So what will happen is, as it goes to the undulation, firstly this, let's suppose this will go up, and so it will be, uh, so it will be front, left front bounce, right front bounce, left rear bounce, right rear bounce. So we got four now. Now the fifth one will be the whole sprung mass of the body. So the body bounce will be the fifth degree of the freedom. Now, so there are two motion. Okay, so this is the rolling motion that I've talked in the second part of the half car model. So this rolling motion is due to when, suppose the car goes only to the bump that is on the right side. So it will going to tilt like this. So this will be the rolling motion. So it will be the sixth motion, and the seventh will be the pitching. Suppose when these both will go on a bump together, so this will go up, this will go down, so there will be that tilting, that will be the pitching of it. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there its degree of the freedom is 7. So like this, you can calculate the degree of the freedom of different kind of model. And before you are trying to simulate or build a MATLAB model or even optimize the suspension of it, you should know the basic degree of the freedom that you are trying to do. So next video that I'm going to show, that I'm going to make, is of that quarter car model, that this model. So I'm going step by step, so that if you can watch it you can understand. So now I will going to make a model that is a quarter car model, then half car, and then full car. So do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn from the basic. So thank you for watching.